guys, this is Jack, and we're exploring this. So,
Me and
Tommy,
Jack.
Yep.
Use.
So Tommy's gonna open it.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yep.
This slime. Let's go and move down.
Guys, this. Why the hell is this on? I don't know.
It's probably a dinosaur though. Let's get them on. Oh, Mum. Dinosaur.
Yeah, this came with it.
All the dinosaurs that we can let.
Yeah, but we didn't.
Jack, put the phone down. These are dinosaur bones.
Yep.
Look.
The dinosaur ones. I'm sorry, guys, that Tommy said, put the phone down. Yep, I've got a phone, sorry. Guys, Tommy made his dinosaur. He made his dinosaur. Yep, he can open his mouth and everything. Yep.
Move its legs.
Yep, it can move anything.
It's got
And then
slime
it's got some slime with it.
Yeah.
And then this came with it. It shows you all the animals and stuff that you can get.
And
Yep.
there's all the body parts that you collect.
he didn't. He followed the instructions.
Yeah, I did.
Yep. I think that was it. No, that's not it. Okay, so yep, that's it for this video. Bye.